Hi guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how you can work with m4a files in Audacity. Right now, if you bring in an m4a file in Audacity, it will give you an error message saying that it cannot open this file until and unless you download this ffmpeg library. I did a quick search on a search engine which took me to a site to download the Windows Audacity. I click on the link, which took me to this page, where if you scroll down, you can see that it gives you some downloads, where it allows you to download the ffmpeg for all of these different formats. And m4a is one of them. So go ahead and click on it. After that, it takes me to this page where it allows me to download this. And this is the page, just to show you what this page looks like. You can also follow the steps to download it if your manual is installed. For example, in my computer, when I first installed the Audacity, the manual was not already installed. So when I go and click on under the libraries download, it gives me a warning that the manual does not appear to be installed. So download the manual. So I need to then download the manual from the internet, and then it'll let me do that. If you haven't already downloaded, you can do it this way. Otherwise, you can do it the way I'm showing you. I will give you the link to this page in the description so that you don't have to go through this hassle. So anyway, you click on the ffmpeg download, and that will take you to the download page where you can download the ffmpeg file, and that will allow you to then work with it. This is where you can click on ffmpeg win 2.2.exe file, and depending on your browser, you can just simply click run. It will take you through the installation process. Just remember where you're downloading it. Upon clicking finish, now let's test the Audacity. Make sure you first close the Audacity if Audacity is already open. Then you can click on File, Open, and then you can open the project. And voila, here you go. You can now work with this file. I hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. I will provide you with the direct link to the download file in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.